I want to tell you all about the brand new Fox 2 for 2020. They came out with a Fox 2 years ago, and they invented this stroller to be a great city stroller, super premium, really beautiful looking, that would be able to handle lots of different types of terrain, but also be really easy to fold and put into your car. My name's Ellie. I own a company called Magic Beans. We have a number of stores in the Boston area and our website mbeans.com, and I've helped hundreds of people figure out exactly what stroller is right for their family. I love moderating the questions. It's super fun for me, and I want to help give you your personalized moment during this really confusing time in your life. So here is the Bugaboo Fox 2. I also have a Bugaboo Fox 1 behind it, so I can actually compare what the updates are for the Bugaboo Fox. But maybe you've never seen a Fox before, so you don't know what it does. The first thing is that it comes with a bassinet and a stroller seat included. With Bugaboo, they have one frame. You actually remove the bassinet fabric, and then you can add the seat fabric when your child is done with the bassinet phase. You want your child in a bassinet. You may think a bassinet is pointless, why do I need a bassinet? Because it's really good for babies to lie completely flat as their neck muscles are developing when they are first born. Very, very maneuverable stroller, easy to push around, nice big wheels on the Fox. So let me show you how this folds. They actually upgraded the folding mechanism for the Bugaboo Fox 2, so it's easy to fold. And another thing about this is that you can fold it with the bassinet attached. With most strollers, you have to remove the bassinet to fold down the stroller. But for this one, I'll show you, it's super easy. The first thing you do actually is, these are adjustable handlebars. You open the handlebar, push it all the way down. And then what you do is there's a little lever on the back, make it parallel with the handlebar. And then they actually upgraded the folding mechanism for 2020. So it's easier it's much more ergonomic, much easier. So you put your fingers, you pull it towards you, and then it folds right down. And you just push this together, and boom, it stands on its own. So if you are standing up your Fox in the vestibule of your apartment building or in the foyer of your house, it's nice that it stands on its own so you don't have to bend down to the ground. And I'm going to show you in a second one little minuscule feature that they've updated on the handlebar. I'll show you that in a second. Now, to open the stroller back up, they have these two dials. Also for the Fox 2, they made these a little bit more user-friendly. You just turn the dial, turn 1, turn 2, and then this just opens right back up. And then again, you just make this parallel to the ground, and now you're back to where you were before. Like I said, I have a Fox 1 right here. This is kind of very minute, but they made the handlebar a little bit extended. It's a little bit proud of the actual handle, so when you fold it down to the ground, the handlebar isn't touching the ground, and it's going to stay a lot cleaner, which is a nice fine detail that they did to improve it for the Fox 2. The other major deal with this is there is a Peekaboo Window! Yes! They added a Peekaboo Window. I know we wanted a Peekaboo Window with our Foxes, so you can see right here, it's kind of invisible, but I'll show you right now. You just pick this up, Bugaboo logo on the bottom of the thing as well, of the canopy as well, and you open it up, and now there is a Peekaboo Window, but it's still an extendable canopy, so good UV protection with just like you had with the original Fox. The wheels are the same. Remember, a Fox was a replacement for their old Buffalo stroller, so this is one of the more all-terrain-ish type of a stroller. So if you're going through the playground, going through snow, lots of different types of terrain, it's going to be very, very easy to push this stroller. Another difference between this and the old Fox, and I have this in the bassinet position, they actually put little pockets right in here so you can put your cell phone or your keys. Another user-friendly update for the Fox 2. I do other reviews of the Fox and other Bugaboo strollers and other strollers on the channel, so meet me at the next video.